Most people update the Albert app and never notice half of the new features. Here's the truth no one tells you. Some of the biggest changes are often hidden inside settings, account tools, and updated financial features that can actually improve your experience. In this video, we'll cover what changed in Albert during 2026, the features users are talking about, and which updates may actually matter for your everyday finances. Let's get right into it. One of the biggest areas Albert continues to focus on is improving the user experience. Updates often include a cleaner interface, faster navigation, and easier access to key features like cash advances, budgeting tools, savings options, and account management. For example, John opens the app to check his cash advance eligibility. Instead of navigating through multiple screens, newer layouts are designed to make important information easier to find. That's an immediate win because less time searching means a smoother experience. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They install updates without reviewing what's actually changed. As a result, they miss new tools that could help them manage their money more effectively. Another area that continues to receive attention is account security. Financial apps regularly improve login protection, account verification processes, and fraud prevention systems to help keep user information secure. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Many users focus only on cash advances, but Albert is designed to offer much more than that. Updates often include improvements to budgeting insights, spending tracking, savings tools, and financial recommendations. For example, Alex uses Albert primarily for budgeting. A newer feature that provides clear spending categories helps him quickly identify where his money is going each month. In a minute, I'll show you the update that many users appreciate the most. One of the most valuable improvements in financial apps is performance. Faster loading times, reduced bugs, and improved stability may not sound exciting, but they directly affect how smoothly the app works. That's a micro-win every user notices. Nobody enjoys dealing with crashes, loading delays, or failed transactions. But here's another thing worth knowing. Some features may not be available to every user immediately. Financial apps often roll out updates gradually. That means your friend, Jake, may see a feature before you do, even if you're using the same app version. Now here's where it gets interesting. The most important update isn't always a brand new feature. Sometimes it's improved reliability, better account management, or enhanced financial tools that make everyday use easier and more efficient. So what changed in Albert during 2026? The biggest themes include user experience improvements, security enhancements, performance upgrades, and ongoing updates to financial management tools. The key takeaway is simple. After updating Albert, spend a few minutes exploring the app. You may discover features that help you save time, track spending more effectively, and manage your finances with less effort. If this video helped you understand what's new in Albert for 2026, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.